crafty friends, come on in and pull up a chair. Today feels like a good day for some quiet magic and gentle making. So let's light our candle. And today I'm drinking Cozy Cocoa Black Tea. Let's see what it tastes like. I haven't had any yet. Oh, that's lovely chocolate flavor. Alright, let's check out what today's affirmation is. Joy is my favorite art supply. has been a busy day, and so it was nice to sit back and take some quiet moments to just craft and come up with this little card that was magical, full of crystals. I just added the background paper here. I fussy cut out the crystals, added my affirmation and some washi tape that I had that says you are made of stardust and magic. And then I just added a little charm dangle here in the corner that was a crystal that I had. So let's take a look at what day 35's freebies will be. I am really in need of this chocolate today. I need a little burst of sugar energy. So let's see what my advent calendar holds today. So we have day 3. So I will be going through Christmas Day with this, but you'll see, technically it will be my Christmas Eve, but you will see it through Christmas Day for my Advents. So let's take a look at what this chocolate is. I am not even going to try to pronounce that name because I will get it totally wrong, but the description is a milk chocolate with a hazelnut praline. That is perfect. Chocolate and a little burst of sugar with that praline is just what I need today. Well, my friends, that's another sweet affirmation that's found a little home on one of my journal cards. I'll be right back here tomorrow for our next crafty adventure. So until next time, y'all take care.